Acrosoft IQ PanOptix and Acrosoft IQ PanOptix Toric IOLs are innovative trifocal lenses that offer you the thrill of delivering a level of refractive performance that breaks free from tradition. The PanOptix IOL is equipped with advanced Enlightened optical technology, a proprietary design that optimizes intermediate without compromising exceptional near and distance vision. The unique diffractive structure allows the lens to transmit 88% of light to the retina at a 3 mm pupil size for exceptionally high light utilization. Featuring a 4.5 mm diffractive zone, Enlightened optical technology helps reduce dependence on pupil size in different lighting conditions. To create Enlightened optical technology and to make it possible to achieve 20/20 near, intermediate, and distance vision, Alcon reimagined multifocal performance. First, we created an additional focal point at 120 centimeters. Then, we redirected the new focal point's light energy to distance. This created 3 optimally placed focal points, one at 40 centimeters near, one at a 60 centimeter intermediate, and at distance. The result is visual performance that breaks free from tradition. With the PanOptix IOL, it is now possible for patients to achieve visual acuity of 20/20 at near, 20/20 at a more comfortable 60 centimeter intermediate focal point, and 20/20 at distance. The wait is over. Get ready to feel the thrill and unleash the power of the PanOptix IOL.